over with a small like whenever we are not having the like APIs, people want us to do the automation. So in that case, what they do actually, they'll provide the response. Okay, so we know like that one by using assertions. Okay, that one we know. Okay, now what we'll do it is, we are not sending any request, we are having the response which is provided by the client or developer. Okay, now what we want actually, we want us to validate that. Okay, we want us to validate that. So how to do that one? Okay, so what we have to do it is, we have to keep that response in the static method. Okay, nothing but a normal string method. Keep the response in the method and then retrieve the data. Okay, so for that one, like let's do one thing. So where is the response is, this is a JSON response. Okay, so if you notice in the JSON response here, so the one which I have highlighted here. Okay, let me copy this and paste it in the notepad. Okay, and so if you see here, this is the total amount of price. Okay, if you combine all these things, right, it will be around that one only. I think it may be changed. Okay, close to that one. Okay, so and then what is the name of the institute here, which is something like this. What is the first course title? Selenium. Second course title is Cypress, like that. Okay, and what is the RPA course? So price and copies, this is that one. Okay, we have all these things. Now what we have to do it is, let's write some test cases on this response. Okay, and then how to achieve that one. What are the test cases? I think I have written yesterday, I lost that one. Let me do this. Okay, these are the test cases, which is print number of courses written by API. Number of courses in the sense, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many? 6 courses are there. It should return 6, like this. And what is next? The next one it is print purchase amount. Okay, print purchase amount. Where is the purchase amount? This one, 1810, right? Line number 3. So I wanted to print that one. All these things has to be in the dynamically, guys. Okay, let's do that one. How to do? Print title of the first course name. Okay, print title of the first course name. What is the first course actually here? This is the first course. What is the name of the title? Selenium Python. It should print Selenium Python as a result. And print all courses titles and their respective prices. Okay, so if you notice here, and respective prices, right, all courses titles and respective prices. Okay, so which means I wanted to print all courses titles, so like this. Okay, price and then title, and price and then title, like that I have to print for the each and every course, not a single course, all courses I want actually. And the next one it is number of copies sold by RBA course. Okay, so how many copies are there? Total 10 copies are there in RPA. So I want to print 10 here. All these things I have to do now. So everything is ready made actually, I have written. Okay, so what is this? Verify if sum of all courses prices match with the purchase prices. What does it mean? Sum of this 1810, which is it should be equals to all of these things. Okay, let's check whether it is equal or not. Okay, the first one it is 50 into 6. Okay, plus, okay, 50 into 6 plus 40 into 4. Oh, it will become like this, right? I have to do like this. 50 into 6, how much it is? 300. Okay, I need to store somewhere this 300. 300 I will store here. And then 40 into 4, right? How much it will become? 200. 45 into 10, 450. Again 450. 2 times 450 is done. Third time, total 5 times it, 4 times it is done, right? Now we need to add 300 plus 200
Sir,
plus
160. 200. Not 200, sir. 160 only.
14 to 4,
acha
160.
4 4 is 160, right? I am very poor man in maths. 300 plus 160 plus 450 plus 450 plus 450 plus 450. How much it's supposed to be? 2260. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it should be 2260. The total amount should be, but how much it was here? 1810, right? It is mismatching actually. It should fail that. Okay, last testicle supposed to be fail. Let's do that also. Okay. Test case should fail because price is mismatching. Okay. Now let's start the fun. So we have stored the response here. See here. We have stored the response here. How I have stored? A simple. This is the JSON input, right? Sorry, JSON response, right? So copy this JSON response. Go to the one of the any one of the class. Okay. Create a one string method. Okay. So here you have to copy paste. How to copy paste? You know, right? Already. So in the line number 6, in the double quotes, Control V. That's it. The escape characters, whatever it is, vagera vagera, it will come. Everything it will come actually. We don't need to worry. Eclipse will take care. Okay. That is a beauty. Okay. And next. Okay. Now what we have to do it is we have to call that method. Okay. What we have to do it is we have to call that method first. So in the line number 14, I am creating an object. Okay, for the JSON response class. Okay, so the object name it is obj. Now what I can do it is I can call that object by using I can call that method by using that object. So obj dot, what is the name of the method here? Obj dot response of course enquire. So see here what I am doing actually, I am calling like this, but there is a new keyword which I have added, which is Json path. Can you see Json path? What is this Json path? Json path, we know. See, if I ask you, right, you know how to fetch the data by using like this. Okay, which is yesterday I told you, right? Where is this one? Yeah, it is. Courses of 0 dot title, you will get Selenium Python. At the same time, courses of 1 price, you will get this one. This one you know already. Yesterday you learned. But now the requirement is completely different, right? Okay, I want to fetch, okay, all the courses title and all the courses price also. The test case is like that. In that case, static, it don't work actually. Static in the sense courses of 0 dot price, so that is called like static actually. I want to keep that one as a dynamic. Why? Because as of now my courses are only 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, in future it may be 60, it may be only 3, I never know. Okay, so if I ask to print, right, it should print automatically. Okay, so you have to write a program like that. It has to take the count of this one and then write it. So how to achieve that one? Okay, so to do all those jobs we have to use the JSON path. To do those jobs, what we have to do it is we have to use the JSON path. What is JSON path actually? With the help of JSON path, we can iterate the entire JSON response. Okay, however you want actually. It will store the JSON path in the form of this one. What do you call? It's similarly like a uh, hash maps. Okay, you know, right? Hash maps. Hash map contains key as a string or integer, and a value can be anything. Okay, same as like this JSON path. Okay, now you will understand what it is exactly. So what I am doing actually, we have to store the response inside the JSON path. What we have to do, we have to store the response inside the JSON path. So that's why JSON path JP, I have given object name new JSON path. For this JSON path, I am passing the my method. Okay, what is this method contains? The response of the API, the static response. You know that. Okay, static response it contains actually. So it is stored the static and response, and now JP contains the entire response now. Now what I have to do? Now what you have to do it is, what is the first test case? Okay, which is print number of courses written by AP. How many courses are there? Okay, how many courses are there? Where is this? Let me copy this one in the and paste it somewhere here. JSON editor, you know, right? So we have already here copied, I think. Yeah, it is copied already. So how many courses are there? 6. How to get this 6 dynamically? Very simple. What is this JP, right? Okay, JP dot get integer. Okay, what you want actually, you want to know the size of that one. Okay, size is always integer, it's not a string, so that's why jp dot get int. See here I am using get integer. So inside that what you have to do it is courses dot size. What it will return actually? Courses. Okay, courses, you know that courses is a array. Okay, you know that courses is an array, right? So for arrays you can use the size actually. Okay, courses dot size, that's it. Okay, you will get the size of the this one. Let me comment this. Perfect. Okay, so see here, if I run this, I am getting the size as 6. Yeah, can you see? Get the size of array is 6. Okay, I think I should mention like this, not get the size of array, it should be like this. Okay, number of courses are 6, right? Let me run it again. I mean the look and feel I am changing actually. See this, number of courses are 6. Perfect, done. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay, this is done. And now the next one, it is purchase amount. Where is the purchase amount actually? Purchase amount is in the dashboard. What I have to produce? Dashboard dot purchase amount. So see here, dashboard dot purchase amount. That's it. 1810, I got it right. Same thing I am using here. jp dot get. Why I am using int again? Why? Because that is an integer value. So see here, I go back here. When you close this, see this, it is coming in the integer. When whatever it is showing in the red color light, it is a integer. Green color denotes. Let me maximize. You can see right now, this is red color as a integer and this as a string. If you want to know instead of color, right, click on the code, you will see here. For the integers there is no double quotes, for the strings there is a double quotes, same as like Java. So that this is also done. So now let me run this. Purchase amount also it is printing. And next, okay, I want to print the title of the first course. Till here I am using the same static JSON path. First course, what is the first course here? Courses dot title, right? What I have to do? Courses of 0 dot title. What is it is coming? Selenium Python. It should print the same thing. Till here our regular JSON XPaths. I mean JSON paths. Say this. And now the fun will start. See here what it is telling. Print all courses title and then respective prices. What is here actually? All courses title and prices. So title is Selenium Python and 50, Cypress 40, RPA 50, 45. Okay, Selenium 45, REST API, all these things it has to print. How it will become? As of now 6, in future it may be 60, it may be 50. It depends, every day I will change actually. In that case what you have to do it is, you have to get the size of the course first. How to get the size? You know that one already in the line number 24. Okay, the line number 24 we have did already. Okay, courses dot size. See this courses dot size we have already did. Okay, you are getting some number, so that's the reason I am creating a one for loop, which is for loop int I is equal to 0 and size of the course should be less than I. Okay, plus I plus plus. Done. Okay, and what is next? So what I am doing actually, you know how to print the first course name and first price. So how do you do? Which is courses of 0 dot title. It is printing the first one. If you want to know the price, right, what you will do? You'll type price here. Okay, so like the same you can do, you know how to do. If it is second course, you have to increase the 0 to 1, third 1 to 2, fourth 2 to 3, like that. So on, see it is changing till fifth course it is available, sixth course is not available. Why? Because 6 index is not available. So when you are changing this number manually, it is working fine. What we have to do, it is change this number by dynamically with the help of for loop. That's it. So see here, remember guys, yeah, title is a string, price is a, what is the price? Integer.
Sir,
So far we are using like this, right? So see here, same thing I am using jp dot get string of course title. In the course title, what I am doing, I am using I. See here, I am using I actually. I nothing but 0. First it will become 0 and then 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this it is storing the course name and it is printing the first course name, first iteration. Like the same, okay, price. Okay, this is the price. Actual price is integer, right? Why I am storing like this? It should be integer in the line number 42. Int int. This is also int int. Yeah, it will work. So courses of I, again 0, price. Okay, both 0 0 price and title it is printing, and then next it will increase the for loop with 1. Okay, it will print 1 1 title and price, and then 2, and then 3 4 5, starting from 0 to 5 it will print actually. So see here, let me run this. So see here, name of the course and price, course and price, course and price, like this, so on. Same as this for 50 40 45 45 45 45, like this. Do you see any disturbance? Perfect, right? 6 courses, perfect. This is how you have to print. Okay, if it now you can handle the entire, if as of now the JSON response is only this much, 38 lines. In future if it is increasing more than that also, you don't need to bother. Okay, if I want to do increase, right? Okay, see here, I'll try to increase this one with see here, how many lines are there now? I will create 2000 lines here. Yeah, 2000 lines, right? So copy this 2000 lines, go back here, go to your JSON response, delete this, paste it, save it, and now run this. It will return all the things. See here, it is printing. See here how it is printing. Yeah, it is stopped. This is how. So you don't need to worry now. Okay, you don't need to worry. Okay, everything will be taken care by the a small for loop. Okay, even though the response is having 2000 lines, you don't need to bother actually. Just to copy paste that code, that is enough. Okay, This is the beauty of the JSON path. Okay. Yeah. And now I want to know how many courses sold by the RPA. RPA, how many are there actually? Where is this RPA? It is here. 45. It's just 45. Okay. Now what I am doing actually, same for loop I am doing. Okay. First it is going to the RPA and then it is printing that one and then stop the for loop. Why? Because if I found the RPA, I don't need to loop for loop again and again. Okay. So that's it. So just click on the run button. Okay, it will print all, right? In the previous example, it is printing all. Okay, let it print. See here, the last statement. Number of courses, how many? Number of copies? Only 10. Go back here. How many are there? 10. That's it. What is this? Courses of some number 0, 1, 2 of 10. That's it. Copies. It is printing 10. And the last one, this is little more interesting actually. Here I am doing some calculations and all. Okay. Why I am doing the calculations? Okay. Let me undo this. Yeah. Yeah. So what is my job here? Verify if sum of courses prices match with the purchase amount. It is not matching. Why? Because I am getting something around 2260. Okay, I am getting 2260. Does it equals to 1860? No, it should fail actually. So how to fail? How to verify first? First verify and then only you have to fail, right? So to verify that one, how to calculate all those things with the help of programming. So for that one, what I am doing actually. So see here, initially I have created one integer variable which is total is equal to 0 and then purchase amount. The purchase amount is dashboard.purchase. I am storing that one as well, which is nothing but this one, dashboard.purchase. I am getting the 1860 I got now. Okay, total price as of now 0. Remember guys, total price as of now 0. Okay, you just need to your sense here actually. Okay, total price is as of now 0, but purchase amount I got already. Okay, now what I want actually, I want to store all the prices inside the total. Okay, how to do that one? It is simple. Same for loop, size of the this one, and see here, total is equals to total plus, the meaning is nothing but 0 is equals to 0 plus what I am doing here, jp dot courses of I price, nothing but the first course price into how many copies are there. Okay, it was something like this, right? Okay, where is that? How much it is? 300. It will get 300 here. Okay, it will get 300. Okay, like this. So how much it will become? 300, like this. And the next, so this is done. So like this it is iterating for the continually multiple times. Okay, 300. So now next one, what will happen actually? 300 is equals to 300 plus what is the next one? 160. How much it will become? 460, and so on. 460 is equals to 460 plus 450. Okay, how much some number it will become? Something around 910. Okay, so like that it will continuously, it will do the calculations. Okay, with that I will be getting something around, how much it is? 2260 I am getting here. Okay, I am getting something around 2260. Okay, this is 1860, right? 1860. Now what I am doing actually, I am just printing that one, dashboard amount, and then total amount. Dashboard amount is nothing but the one which I got from the,
1810, sir.
sorry.
1810, sir. It was 1815, sir.
Okay, 1810. 1810, thank you. Okay, so dashboard amount is nothing but the one which we getting from the API. Okay, this is from the API, the one which I have calculated. Okay, this is 1810 and this becomes 2260. Now I am checking if purchase amount is equals to total. If both are equal, right, I will tell that dashboard price, amount and total amount of both are matching, I will tell pass. Else I will tell that not matching, fail. Okay, and then I am doing some assertions, you know that already, total equal to purchase amount, then it will fail the test case. So now run this. Okay, yeah, it is perfect. What it is telling? Dashboard purchase amount and total amount of Json both are not matching and it is fail. See this, expected is 1810 but found 2260. I was expecting 1810 but it is returned 2260. Then I failed the test case. That's it. This is how. Once you practice, right, then you will understand. This is how you have to do in the real time also for APIs. This is completely pure programming actually. API automation is nothing but 100% pure programming. But whereas in this one, the Selenium, okay, and all those things, right? Something we have to do logical with the UI, okay, and then get the XPath and write something. Over there also something around 70% we do programming, but here 100% programming. That's why here the role normally majority of the time we call it as SDET. Do you know SDET? Software Developer Engineer in Testing. The regular positions are SDE. Okay, the regular positions are SDE. Okay, Software Engineer Developer, and T stands for Tester. Just to hold on, I'm going on mute. SDE, nothing but software engineer in software developer in engine. This is for developer, this is for the tester. If you are doing this job right, okay, you call it is a SDET, SDET positions. Just type in the Naukri. You can see that SDET. SDET automation testing. You see SDET. Click on this. See here how many? 25,986. See this SDET is keep on coming. Maybe you may be searching something like this, like a automation testing. Let's see automation testing. How many are there? Same, similar almost. But again you got SDET like this. Both are same almost, but some change actually. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I mean we have a lot of things to learn actually in the API. But we almost achieved 70%. Okay. There are something are there, but that will become like a separate course. We need to learn a lot of things actually to reach that 30%. But this is enough to get a job and to get a work. Okay, because the remaining 30%, right, we are having lot of flavors. Okay, people are using different things in each and every company, so that's why. But the core job is done like this. Okay, so am I clear? Any doubts?
Yes.
No, right? Yeah, if no doubts, I'm good. Okay, so and now come back to the another topic, which is database.
సార్ కుకుంబర్ లో కొన్ని టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి సార్.
అవునవును, కుకుంబర్ అండ్ సెలీనియంలో 2-3 టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంతే. ఐ టేక్ కేర్.
జీరా
జీరా జీరా వస్తుంది, ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్. జీరా ఏం లేదండి. ఇది
అజైల్ సార్.
అజైల్, అజైల్ అండ్ జీరా ఆల్మోస్ట్ సేమే, నేను చెప్తా అది. ఓకే, అవి ఏమేంటంటే అజైలు జీరా వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ ఏ సింగిల్ షాట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టేక్ ఇన్ ఏ సింగిల్ షాట్ బికాస్ బోత్ ఆర్ క్లబ్డ్ టుగెదర్, both are same. Okay, so that's the reason. Yeah, 1 minute, I'm coming. Yeah, So where are we actually? Yeah, database testing. Okay. I mean, no need to worry the cucumber and all. So that is small topic actually. Hooks. So we left. Okay. I will teach that one. That's not a bigger one actually. Okay. So database. Okay. So now I think majority of the people are from BTech background, right? But I think you may be from ECE background and all. I think some people are there, some mechanical. I think for ECE and mechanical people, they don't have database topic, right?
Yes, sir.
You people don't have. Okay. So uh, database. Okay. What is first of all database? Okay. Data. Just divide the words for the time being. Okay. Database. Okay. We are storing some data. We are storing a data in one of the base actually. Okay. So somewhere we have to store. So normally, right, uh, if you ask me, okay, what is my database actually? My database is my memory. Yes or no? My database is my memory. If someone asks me, what did you study? I'll tell them MCA. Okay. Where are you from? Nizamabad. Where you are living now? Hyderabad. Where do you stay in Hyderabad? Mia. So why I am getting all these things? Because I stored all those things in my memory. I stored all those things in my memory. Okay. My memory is my database. Okay. What is this? Human database. This is a human database. Human database is very sharp and very power also. Okay. You can store 5 lakhs words. Okay. A human can store, so not 5 lakhs words. Okay. 5 lakhs books, I think. I don't know size of the book actually. Don't ask me. You can store 5 lakhs books in your brain. Okay. You know, Pentagon and all those things, right? Like that, it will store in our mind. Okay. That is a big subject actually, how our mind will work. Okay. You try within the Google or YouTube. Okay. How to like memorize some things. Okay. They will tell you how it will store in your memory and how to store like good things in the memory. Okay. So like that. So like the same. Okay. Yeah. Human body is okay. Now come back to our software. In the software. Okay. In the software, it should also have some memory. Why? Because you're asking something and it is giving something. Okay. Nothing but you're giving some input and you're expecting some output. For suppose if I ask like a Balakrishna, what is your name? What he is telling, okay, Balakrishna. Okay, what did you study? He said BTech. Why he is telling? Because I am asking something and he is telling something, which is nothing but from his database he is recollecting and then he is returning to me. Like the same, like the same in your application, in your application. Okay, any application you can say. So see here, automation practice or whatever it is. Okay, so what you are doing actually here, let it open. So see this, it is coming printed dresses here. Okay, when you click on this printed dresses, it is giving me some information of the dress. See here what it is telling. This is the image of the dress. Okay, and the name of the model, what is the condition, whether it's new or old, and what is the fabric they have used, and you can share this one using Twitter, Facebook and all. Okay, and you can send to your friend this one, and how many quantity you want. Okay, and what is the size of yours, and what is the color, all those things. How it is giving all these information to you. Okay, because it is nothing but it is storing all this information inside the database. It is storing all this information inside the database. This is one of the example. Okay, I will give you one more example. Okay, I'll give one more example. The another example is, let me sign out, go to the sign in. Okay, after clicking on the sign in, I want to do something like this, santosh at test.com, and then password is 123456. Okay, so I want to do like this. Okay, which is I am giving the username and password. When I click on the sign in button, how does it is accepting me? See this, I am passing these two, username and password. I clicked on the sign in button, it is logging me into the home page. How does it knows that whether this is right password or not? Okay, why? Because it is, whenever I am giving the username and password like this, username and password I have given, okay, where I have given in web, okay, I have given inside the web, and here is a server, this is a server, and this is the database, this is server, and this is database. Okay, it is giving this information to the server, server is giving the information to the database, database is checking actually, okay, whether it is there or not. Okay, if it is there, it is returning as a like this, which is some green color it will give you. Let me go with the green color. It is giving returning this one. Okay, and then it is logging into the application. Okay, like this it will happen. By any chance if the username and password is not exist, right, it will tell that there is no username like this, it will throw an error on the web also. So which means there is a database like this. Okay, in any application there is a database like this. Okay, this is having lot of data in the database. Okay, anything, it can be the like a product information, it can be the user information. Now you know it like a username password is stored, but before that one what I have to do, I have to create an account. Okay, after creating an account, while giving create an account, I have given something around 20 parameters. What are those? Username, password, first name, last name, date of birth, date, month, year of like where do you stay, your address, your phone number, all these things you are giving, all the information where it should show somewhere, right? That is again database. Okay, so database is nothing but the entire information of the website it holds. It can be a website, it can be like a mobile app, it can be anything. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody has any doubts in the database now? Now you know, right, what is database?
Yes, sir.
I think for the person who is non-IT background also, nothing but non-IT in the sense like EC people and mechanical people or BCom, BA, BSc, whoever it is. Okay, I hope it is completely clear. What is database now? Within 2 minutes we learned. Okay, am I clear or not? First of all, tell me.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes.
Yeah, super.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Clear,
yeah,
sir.
clear, right? Excellent. And now the thing is that human database. Coming back to the human database is a single database. What is the human database? The one which is created by the God. Okay. So our Brahma is created our memory. Okay. It is called like a Brahma database. Okay, that is a human database. Now let's come to the software side. Who created software? We humans are created. Okay, that's why they are having their own name. Okay, Oracle database. Okay, Microsoft database. Okay, MySQL database.
SQL.
Yeah, Mango database, SQL database, and etc. Okay, we have a lot of things actually in the real world. Okay, because as we are humans, we created all these things database. So if I created, right, I will give some name. Okay, Santosh database. Okay, it's like a Teja database, something like a who else are there in our okay, money database, Balakrishna database, Bhavana database, something like this. Okay, so now but everyone is using the same concept. Okay, remember guys, any database the name can be changed, but storing mechanism is same. Remember, storing mechanism is absolutely same. Okay, even though it is the Oracle, Microsoft, this one, Okay, storing database is absolutely same, there is no change. Okay, remember that one. Okay, so storing database is always like this, rows and columns, like this it will store. Okay, I will show you some small example. Okay, something like W3 schools database, just type like this, W3 schools database, and click on this. So there is a create table. I'll go with my document. Yeah, I have given this URL actually, so copy this and paste it here, that is enough. So restore the database. Yep, it will be like this. See here, I am not showing any the fancy Oracle, MySQL and all those things. So wherever you go, the whatever the queries, the one which I am showing you, right, it is absolutely same. Okay, so now I'll show you. So remember guys, all these are tables. I will tell you what is a table and all those things. Okay, first I will tell you how it will store. See customers, when I click on the customers, you can see my screen, right? Okay, which contains some rows and columns. Yes or no? Rows and columns. Okay, which contains some rows and some columns. Yes or no, man?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so rows and columns are there. Okay, so it is similar to Excel, right? In the Excel also, what we can do is we can give some like columns like this. Okay, and we
Yes.
can provide some row. Similar to
Yes.
same similar to Excel. Yeah, you are absolutely right. It is similar to Excel only. Okay, but it is what will happen actually. I am creating a one table. So see this. This looks like a table. See this. The entire thing, it looks like a table. Okay, it is a table only. Okay, every table is having a one name. Every table is having a one name. The name of the table can be anything. You can give your name, or as per the product provide that name. Okay, assume that my product is something like a warehouse. My product is a warehouse. Okay, what is a warehouse? Which is a, like Amazon warehouse. Just imagine our product is Amazon warehouse. So Amazon is having, you can see in the right hand side here, which is customers, category, employees, order details, orders, products, shippers, suppliers. Okay, everything is like Amazon only here. It's something like a shopping, no, not shopping, warehouse only it is. Okay, so now Amazon is having how many data, how many tables now? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 tables are there. What are those? Customers, category, employees, order details, order, product, suppliers and shippers. Okay, good. So there is a customer table. Let's click on the customer table. It will lead to the same page actually. See this. Customer table is having the information of the customers only. See this. What are the columns? Customer ID, name, contact name, address, city, postal code and country. All these are a customer columns. Okay, as we are having these columns, now I will add the each and every customer name and ID. So this is a customer ID is one, and name of the customer is some name actually, and then contact name is Andres, address is this one, city is Berlin, postal code is 12209, country is Germany. Like the same, one more customer also I got. Okay, so every day my customers are increasing. Okay, for every customer I am giving a one ID. Okay, customer ID is a unique actually. Why? Because you, if you are in the college, right, your roll number is unique. Okay, the same roll number is cannot given to others. Okay, so there is a name called like a Prashant. The Prashant name can be duplicate one or two times. Okay, but his roll number is 12. It cannot be repeated to the other guys. Like the same here also, customer ID is always unique. And remember, as customer ID, You can store numerics also in the database. You can store the strings also in the database, and also you can store booleans, same data types whatever you are having in the Java, right, which is like integer, okay, string and all those things, same data types we are also having here. Okay, and remember guys, we are the consumers, we are testers, right? Testers are nothing but consumers. What is the meaning of consumers? We are reading the database, we don't write anything in the database, we only read the data. Okay, remember that one always. Okay, so now customer ID I have given, name I have given, contact number. So like this my customers are increasing. Okay, along with the customer I will also store some categories also. What is the category? I am having warehouse, right? I can sell lot of things, I can store lot of things. Okay, I can store in the, if you go to the Amazon warehouse, right, it's very big actually, it is in hundreds of acres. Okay, it is having beverages. Okay, what is this, condiments, what sweets and all those things. Okay, some this is all not our regular language, dairy products, okay, grains, meat, product, produce, seafoods. Okay, a warehouse can have all these things. Okay, the category and what it can store, it is selling, and then category ID. At the same time, for the warehouse we need a employees as well. Without employees no warehouse can run, no shop can also run. Okay, like the same we are having multiple employees, employee ID and last name of the employee, first name of the employee, his date of birth and his photo, and notes of that one. So how many employees are there? Total employees are 10 employees are there. And then order details, order details are nothing but you are having warehouse, some, you are having a warehouse. Why big, why you are having warehouse? You are selling something. Okay, for every sales you are having some order ID like this. Okay, order detail ID, order ID, the product ID also you are having, and then quantity, how many quantity you are selling. Like the same uh, orders. Okay, orders are more actually, order IDs, orders are more, every day we are having lot of orders actually. So see this, how many records are there? 196. Order ID, customer ID, I mean order ID, and then customer, who ordered this, which customer is ordered. Okay, 90 customer number is ordered, 81 customer is number is ordered, like this. Okay, customer is ordered, but with who ordered this one, this employee ID has ordered for this customer ID, like that information it is storing. If you notice, right, even a small supermarket, Vijayata or more supermarket, right, whenever you are buying any item, okay, what they will do, the person who is generating the bill also, their ID is available on your bill. Okay, why? Because they should have a some track who purchased, I mean who build your products. Okay, like the same here also, customer is ordering, but customer cannot order directly, he need to take the help of one employee. Who is that employee? That he is the employee. Okay, what is the order date and what is the shipping ID? So like the same shippers, suppliers. Okay, we have all this information. Now you understand, right, how the Amazon it is working.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Any warehouse it will work like this only. Okay, but as of now we have only like something or 8 tables, but in real time, right, you're having some hundreds of tables. Okay, yeah. And now come back. So just try to understand what is database and what is all these things. Okay, so what I will do, I'm sharing all these informations to you. Okay, and tomorrow what we'll do it is, we'll complete this entire task, all these queries we will learn. Okay, and how to connect to the server, all those things we will learn. Okay, so I can take now also, but it is almost in 5, I don't want to waste. Okay, so just try to understand this concept, database. Okay, and then database tables. Okay, and then what it contains, just try to understand the tables. Okay, it is simple, it's a general knowledge actually, it's a normal simple sense. Okay, to understand, by seeing the names only you will understand, there is no like rocket science names are there in the columns. Okay, the regular names what do we use, the names are not our Indian names actually, but that's okay, just try to understand the concept. And tomorrow what we'll do it is, we'll try to fetch the data. Okay, and remember guys, just now I told you in the orders table we are having customer ID, in the customer table also we are having customer ID. Okay, which means same customer is available here and there also. Okay, how to club that one, I will tell you all those things. Okay, tomorrow we are completing the database. If possible, I'll complete the cucumber as well. Okay, there are some questions